I will talk about ChainGPT and share my price prediction for 2024 with long and short-term analysis. And we'll have potential price targets and potential buy zones to make maximum profits in 2024. So let's go straight into the content. ChainGPT is a very new promising AI crypto coin that now gets a lot of popularity, and it's on place 406 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $81 million. And if we have a look at the price, you can see that the price now moves to the upside very strictly and that we are nearly at the all-time high. But if we are looking at the market cap, you can see that we are at a market cap all-time high right now. This is because the circulating supply was increasing in the last weeks. So more and more ChainGPT got released, the supply is increasing. But the demand is also increasing, that's why the price is also going to the upside. And if we have a look at the website, you can see this new blockchain AI, and it's definitely looking really crazy, and it's one of the most promising AI crypto coins in the whole space right now. And with just over $80 million market cap, this is not a very high market cap. And as you can see, ChainGPT didn't get listed on Binance till now. And if you don't know where to trade ChainGPT, you can do this on BingX. BingX has a large variety of different smaller cryptocurrencies and bigger cryptocurrencies, and as you can see, you can trade ChainGPT right here. And if you use the link in the description, you also get up to $5,150 bonus. And if we're having a look at the technicals right now, you can see that we are clearly in a bullish trend with higher lows all the way and higher highs. So as long as we don't break this trend to the downside, then the chance is higher that we can see even higher prices. And as I said, the supply is increasing, but the demand is also increasing, so the price goes to the upside. And if we just have a look at the market cap, we have a lot of potential to the upside. And if we compare the market cap of ChainGPT to Casper, we would have a potential of 35x and a price target of $7.50 for ChainGPT. Because Casper is now in the top 30 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of nearly $3 billion. And I think ChainGPT definitely has the potential to reach this kind of market caps and prices. So for me, we have a lot of potential to the upside. Of course, guys, these are just price predictions from the prices right now, and it's really hard to say exact prices. But I think ChainGPT has a lot of potential, and if we now can continue this bullish momentum to the upside, and if also the total crypto market cap can continue this bullish momentum, then the chance is high that we could also reach the last all-time high of the total crypto market cap. And if enough money flows from retailers and big institutions into the crypto market, the chance is high that we could see much higher prices. Especially with the now approved Bitcoin spot ETF, the institutional and retailer interest in cryptocurrencies is increasing over the long term. And if just a small percentage flows into ChainGPT, the chance is high that we could see much higher prices. So we looked for potential price targets, and now we are looking for potential buy zones for ChainGPT. And as I said, we are right now in a very bullish trend. And I said that the chance is very high that we can continue this bullish momentum to the upside. So if you're not already invested, I think these prices are already a great chance, especially on the long term. But if we are seeing lower prices again, then the first really interesting area is this demand zone right here. Because from this demand zone, we saw this push to the new highs right here. We made a higher high. So the chance if we come back into this zone that we then can continue the bullish trade is very high. So if we come back into this zone and see a bullish reaction on the smaller time frame, then I think this is definitely a great area for a long position on ChainGPT. And if we see even lower prices, then I would definitely have a look at this demand zone right here. Because here we haven't confirmed higher low. This higher low was the start of this push to the upside we made in higher high. So again, if we see a move into this zone and see a bullish reaction on the smaller time frame, then I think this is definitely a great technical area to buy some ChainGPT. And if you want to get daily updates on the crypto market or altcoins like ChainGPT, then join my free Telegram group. You'll find a link in the description. So all in all, guys, I think ChainGPT is a very interesting project for the future. We just have a very small market cap, and the chance that we could see much higher market cap for ChainGPT is very high. And right now we are in this bullish trend, and the chance is also high that we could see much higher prices as long as we don't break this last lows to the downside. So guys, thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading, and see you in the next one.